Hello, so recently I bought a shockproof case for my DJI Mini 3 drone. Apparently the Pro will fit in here, as will the DJI 4 and 4 Pro. Now, apparently it's shockproof. This was £12.55, but if you click the link in the description below, you'll get a discount, I believe, quite a big discount as well. So check that out and let me know in the comments if you did get a discount. So yeah, this is how it came, which I wasn't happy with. I prefer it to come in a protective box, but there we go. Luckily there's no damage anywhere, not that I can see anyway. It came with Royal Mail, took 2 days actually. Now it comes with those to put there, but I bought this from TEMU for 89p. I'll put a link in the description to that as well. I'm just going to stick that right on actually. Put it a bit over to one side there. Let me just try that again. That'll do. Still not perfectly straight, but it's fine. So yeah, now you have these little foam cutouts that you can pull out, depending on what drone you have, what control you have. Let's see. Fits perfectly. Oh. That does fit perfectly. And the controller. Obviously, I'll have to take that out. That fits in perfectly there as well. I don't have no batteries or anything. I do have spare propellers here, but I suppose I can just leave that there. Obviously, if you have the fly mode version, you can put your batteries in, and I'm not sure what they're for, maybe for spare propellers and other bits and bats. But as you can see, it does fit perfectly. I mean, overall, it's a solid case. These clips feel strong. I'm not sure what that's for. It does come off. I'm really not sure what that's for actually. There'll be a purpose for it. I'll put some information in the description on what that is or what it's for. See that there, a couple of holes there for padlocks if that's what you want. Just to show you as well, that is snug, it really is snug in there. I mean, I don't want to, it's not coming out. But yeah, I'm happy with that. It's actually surprisingly solid. They're a nice touch, but I prefer the DJI logo, or DJI, whatever. Yeah. Like I say, I put some links in the description, put some info, dimensions and stuff like that, and we'll find out what that's for.